Well, I must say it really has been an absolute treat working on the World Cup for me. I got some fantastic opportunities. Most notably would be being assistant producer or AP on all of the Wales games. That really was a fantastic experience. I was in the edit with arguably one of the best editors in Wales, known as GPH, and that was really brilliant working along someone with as much experience as him and being that involved in the game as well. I've had some other responsibilities as well, such as getting archive material for all of our montages, closers and openers, so it really has been a fantastic opportunity to be involved with and all that.
Wel, fi wedi ymuno gyda BBC yn chwaraeon as oedd y Cwpan y Byd yn dechrau, so ddim llawer o chance I setlo down iddo fel sydd ymlaen i, ond un tasg yn ei wneud, oedd fi'n gwylio'r Cymru yn erbyn o ran, a unrhyw beth ni'n meddwl fod yn fel highlight o'r gêm, so fel pob cornel, pob foul, pob close chance, pob goal, bod ni fel note o pa amser gyda'r gêm, bod hwnna wedi digwydd, a wedyn fel dweud beth oedd e, so oedd yn cornel. So wedyn ni gallu mynd yn ôl then ar ôl yn y gemau a clip fel an, so ni gallu cadw'r footage hwnna yn yr archive. So os unrhyw un eisiau defnyddio fel unrhyw highlight o'r gêm, mae'n gallu mynd a wedyn defnyddio hwnna. Ond, gweithio yn y Cwpan y Byd oedd yn gutted till wedi dod I diwedd, ond oedd yn amazing to enjoy llawer.
So before the teams went out, I was asked to do some research on the teams in Wales's group, sorry. So for the commentary team, so I had to research like players, facts about the countries for Iran, England, USA. So that was beforehand, but then when the World Cup was on, I was working on the live page. So that's basically kind of sitting in the studio when the games are on, listening to the commentary and writing down quotes from the pundits for the live page online.